my name is Claudia Canizares, and the video today is how to become an immigration attorney. I have received this question a lot, not only from people that follow me, but from fellow students and colleagues, and they say, well, how do you even become an immigration attorney? What do you do, and exactly what it takes. So this video will tell you a little bit how I became an immigration attorney and what I would recommend if you want to become an immigration attorney. First of all, if you want to be an attorney, you need to go to law school. So that is very general. You have to get a bachelor's, then go into law school, do the 3 years, and then become an attorney. And you need to be admitted to at least one bar, meaning you have to be admitted in any state, including Puerto Rico, to practice immigration law. Once you are admitted, you're allowed to practice in any state. So in my case, for example, I'm admitted in Florida, but I can practice immigration law in any state. I can represent clients in Texas, I can represent clients in California, Washington, New York, wherever the client takes me. So it is really cool because you do get like the multinational experience rather than being stuck in just one state. And it also opens the door of getting more business. For example, a family law attorney can only practice in the state where they're licensed, whereas the immigration attorney can really practice in any state where the client is. You can practice in front of USCIS, which is the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, and you can also practice in front of the EOIR, which is the Executive Immigration Review Board, meaning it's the immigration court. So I like it. How do I become an immigration attorney? I got an entry-level job working for an immigration attorney. So I did not choose to become an immigration attorney. It was more of the career opportunity. Now, if you are on your own and this is the field that you want to go in, I recommend that you try doing a law clinic while you're still in law school. So if you're still a student and immigration law is something that you like or that you're interested in, I will highly suggest that you do an immigration clinic. Immigration is something that you learn best when you're practicing rather than reading. You can read as much as immigration law as you want to, but it's really hard to actually see it in practice. There's a lot of stuff that come into play when you are practicing. So the best thing that you can do is go into a clinic. If you cannot work for a clinic or you already graduated and now you want to make a career change, then the best way to get some practice in immigration law, I would say, is join AILA, which is the American Immigration Lawyers Association. They have a national board and they provide a lot of training materials and reading materials that will ultimately help you. I have been practicing immigration law for about 7 years now, and I'm still a member of AILA. I renew my membership every year. I read their emails every single day, and I do their workshops, and I've been even to the national conferences. It's really, really helpful. So if this is something that you want to do and you did not receive any experience while you were a student, then joining AILA will really help you. Another way to learn is provide pro bono work. There is Catholic Charities, American Immigration Justice, and other pro bono offices around the United States that they will be glad to have any attorney to work with them on the pro bono basis, and they will train you. However, most of the work provided by them, it's work in fields that involve immigration defense, like basically deportation defense or asylum defense. It's not really going to be the fancy side of immigration that is like business law and business visas and stuff like that. But if you want to work more in the area of helping people and doing deportation defense, then providing pro bono work and joining organizations that provide pro bono services will give you a training, and it's something that you can do while you're getting your feet wet A lot of it's gonna have to be self-taught, but it's really helpful to work with them, and you also will be doing something good because you will be helping people that cannot otherwise pay for a lawyer. So that is in probably 5 minutes or 7 minutes how to become an immigration attorney. I hope this video is helpful, and if you are starting your career as an immigration attorney, join AILA. You would love them. Go and participate in their happy hours. They have mentorship programs. You would really learn from them. So I know I did, and I still do. So go out there, and believe me, it's a great field. You would like it, and I hope that to see you out there.